You could earn over $100 a day or $700 in a week, and just by watching videos. Get ready to learn and earn this big. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can turn your screen time into a profitable side hustle. Get ready and let us start. Step 1. Register an account. The first thing you need to do is visit this new website where you can earn money by watching videos online. I'll reveal the website's name shortly, but first, let me share some impressive figures. On average, users withdraw over $10 daily from this platform, which has already paid out more than $470,000 to its users. That's nearly $500,000 earned by people just like you, simply from watching videos online. This is an amazing opportunity you definitely don't want to miss. To begin, click on the Register Account button. Select a unique username that reflects your identity. Input your email address and create a secure password that's easy for you to remember. Complete the I am not a robot verification to safeguard your account, agree to the terms and conditions, and finalize your registration. The process is quick and simple, taking just a few minutes. Alternatively, you can sign up even faster by using your Gmail or Twitch account, making the registration process hassle-free. After logging into your account, you'll be directed to your personalized dashboard, where you can monitor your earnings, review your watch history, and explore all the great features the website offers. One of the first things you'll likely notice is the impressive 4.6-star rating on Trustpilot, a highly regarded online review platform. This high rating serves as proof of the website's legitimacy and reliability, giving you confidence that you're using a trustworthy platform. You can withdraw your earnings through various payment methods available in your country. The website will present withdrawal options specific to your location, making it easy for you to access your earnings. Even if PayPal isn't supported in your area, there are plenty of other options, including direct bank transfers, allowing you to have your earnings deposited straight into your bank account. Moreover, the minimum withdrawal amount is just $2, which is incredibly low compared to other platforms. This means you can start enjoying your earnings almost immediately without having to wait until you've saved up a large amount. Step 2. Start earning by watching videos. Once you're on your dashboard, head over to the Earn tab to explore the different ways to make money online. You'll have a wide range of options, including completing offers, playing games, watching Twitch streams, listening to music, and, most importantly, watching video clips. Today we're focusing on earning money by watching videos. To begin, just choose the Watch Streams option from the menu. A great feature of this platform is that you don't need a Twitch account to start earning. Even if you've never used Twitch before, you can still make money by watching videos. There's a huge variety of videos available, and many of them showcase popular games like GTA 5, Minecraft, PUBG, Counter-Strike, and more. So not only will you be earning money, but you'll also enjoy watching videos of your favorite games. It's a win-win. To begin earning, simply pick a video that catches your interest, sit back, relax, and enjoy watching. As you do, your earnings will accumulate in the background. The amount you earn per minute depends on your country, with higher rewards typically available in more developed regions. Nevertheless, no matter where you are, you can still make a significant amount of money. In fact, you could earn anywhere from $2 to an impressive $280 per minute, meaning you could potentially make hundreds of dollars just by watching videos. The key is that the longer you watch, the more money you can earn. To maximize your earnings, I suggest dedicating more time to watching videos over extended periods. You might be wondering, is this too good to be true? But I assure you, it's not. This platform has already paid out over $470,000 to its users, and that amount continues to grow daily. So why wait? Start watching videos and earning money today. Additionally, this platform offers even more ways to earn. If you love music, you can get paid to listen to your favorite tunes. If you enjoy gaming, you can earn rewards by playing popular games. Plus, if you're open to trying out new products or services, you can complete offers and surveys to boost your earnings even more. The opportunities are endless, and the potential to earn is truly limitless. Here are 2 effective strategies to maximize your earnings. First, to conserve in bonus tips. Internet data. Navigate to the video settings, select the quality option, and choose the 144p Second, You can significantly increase your earnings by opening multiple videos in different browser tabs at the same time. For instance, if one video nets you $2.80 per minute, watching 10 videos simultaneously will earn you $28 per minute. Step 3. Another method to earn money by watching videos is through short trending clips on the Livestream app. Install the app on your Android or iOS device, enter the username provided on the website, and start watching. Depending on the video, you can earn between $1 and $10 every 5 minutes. The longer you watch, the more you earn, and you'll also receive one ticket every 5 minutes, which can be used to boost your earnings on the main website. Step 4. When it's time to withdraw your earnings, click on the Withdraw button. You'll have two options: either withdraw cash using cryptocurrencies like Litecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, or PayPal, or redeem your earnings as gift cards for Visa, Amazon, or Roblox. The platform I've been discussing throughout this video is called Rewardy.io. With an impressive 4.6-star rating on Trustpilot and verified status, you can trust that Rewardy.io is a legitimate platform for earning money online by watching videos. So in this video, we talked about a platform like Rewardy.io. You can earn anywhere from a few dollars to hundreds of dollars a day, making it a source of a side hustle or even a full-time income. The process is simple, with multiple ways to boost your earnings, including watching videos, playing games, and listening to music. The platform is trustworthy, with a high rating on Trustpilot and flexible withdrawal options, including cryptocurrencies and gift cards. Don't forget to apply the bonus tips we shared to maximize your earnings. And that wraps up today's video on how to earn money online just by watching videos. I'd love to hear from you. What's the first video or stream you plan to watch to start earning? Drop your answers in the comments below. If you found this information useful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Profitability Plus for more tips and opportunities to boost your income. Don't miss out on our next video, where we'll explore even more ways to make money online. Keep striving for success, and I'll see you in the next video.